Good morning, students. How are you all? Now your term 2 exams are over and we are going to start with the new chapter of your reader. Chapter 11, The World's Best Warrior. So, this is the story of Robin, the world's best warrior. Robin is very ambitious. He is a brave young man. He wants to become the best fighter in the world and he wants to become the head of the army. So that is why he goes to the king. He asks king to replace him with the present general of the army. Robin says that the present general or present head of the army is very coward. He is not so courageous. So king was surprised. He was shocked. King says that no doubt that you are brave enough. You are brave and you are sincere also, but you still have much to learn. So many other things are there that you need to learn. So he was young, he was furious also, so he was in anger. And now let's see what he will do, what Robin will do to become the head of the army. Let's see his. So let's read the chapter. Robin was a brave young man, an expert swordsman. Swordsman means a man who fights with sword. You can see sword in Robin's hand. He dreamed of becoming the best fighter in the world. He hoped to become head of the army one day. He was willing to become the head of the army so he could replace the cowardly old general who was currently in charge. He wanted to take place of general. The king liked Robin, but when Robin told him about his ambition, the king looked a bit shocked and said, "Your desire is sincere, but I am afraid it cannot happen right now. You still have much to learn." Now, King denied to Robin that I cannot make you the head of the army right now. You are sincere, you are brave, but there are some other things you must learn. So, Robin was thinking that he is brave, he is the best fighter in the world, and now he is capable to become the head of the army. But king denied. Now let's see. That was the worst thing that could have happened to Robin, who became so furious that he stormed out of the palace. Determined to learn all there was to know about fighting wars. So it was very bad day for Robin. Nothing bad could happen to Robin. So he was very furious. He was full of energy. He stormed out of the palace. He went out of the palace very quickly. Stormed out means very quickly he moved from the palace. And he was determined to learn all there was to know about fighting. He was determined. He was very motivated. He was strongly motivated to learn each and everything about fighting wars. His main focus was on fighting and the skills which are related to weapons. So he went to all kinds of school. Now in terms of to learn all the skills about war, he visited many schools and colleges to improve his techniques and his strength, but without really learning any new secrets. And he was not able to learn anything new because in each and every college and schools they were making him learn about fighting wars like weapons, swords, guns, all these things, but there was nothing new to learn. So now what happened? One day he went to a very special school, a huge grey fortress. So one day he went to a very special school, a huge grey fortress on top of a great mountain. So now at last Robin visited a military stronghold town. Fortress means a military stronghold town on the top of a great mountain. Robin had heard a lot about this school. It was the best school of the world, best school for military training in the world, and only very few students were allowed to train there. So it was very difficult to get admission in that military school. On his way, he learned that the old general had studied there. Now he came to know that the old general also studied in that military school, and Robin proceeded, even more determined to be accepted into the school. He was strongly motivated that he will get admission in that school. Before entering the fortress, he was made to hand all his weapons. So now he was not able to take his weapons inside that school. You won't be needing those anymore. Here you will be getting better ones, said the guard. So now at the entrance of the gate, guard was there. Guard asked Robin to remove all his weapons, and he said that you will get better ones in the school. Robin was impressed. Robin was affected or influenced by the words of that guard. He handed his weapons to a little grey man. A little man was there, and he handed his weapons to that person, who immediately threw them into a pit. One of the instructors, a serious old man of few words, with few words means a person who does not speak much. One of the instructors, a serious old man of few words, accompanied Robin to his room. Accompanied means having companion. So as he left, the old man said, in 100 days, the training will start. In 100 days, the training, you have to wait for 100 days. After 100 days, your training will start. 100 days. At first, Robin thought that this was a joke, but he soon realized the man had been serious. So, it was shock for Robin that old man said that your training will start after 100 days. So, on the 100 and the first, after 100 days, on the 101st day, the first lesson began. You have already learned how to use your main weapon, patience. So, began the wise old teacher. Robin could hardly believe it, and he let out a chuckle. Chuckle means a soft और partly suppressed laugh. वो धीरे धीरे मुस्कुराता है, अंदर ही अंदर हंसता है. That was it a lesson for me? I had waited for 100 days to start my training. Now he is saying that you have learned a lot. Patience. So what is the first weapon Robin got? It is patience. धैर्य रखना. So, but Robin was not aware of that he has learned this. Every went off well till he found himself. Now things were smooth. Everything was fine. But now the training for next weapon is started. अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है. Everything went off well till he found himself tied hand and foot to a chair. Now this was part of his training, that he was tied with his hand and foot to a chair. A chair standing on the top of a small pedestal and with dozen of villagers climbing up to try to give him a good whack. Good whack means hit. He was hit. The villagers were hitting him. So he was tied to a chair and villagers were hitting him. He was shouting. He was trying to protest that please do not hit me. So it was every day's task. He had little time to act and the ropes were tight. He could not get out of this one. When the villagers climbed on the pedestal, they set to work giving him a good beating. They were beating Robin. So because his hands and foot were tied, he was not able to protest. He was not able to move them. So it was very difficult time for Robin. So he can speak only. He cannot use his hands, feet. He cannot use, but he can speak. He can use his words. So now let's see with the help of his words how he is going to escape from this. The very same exercise was repeated for days. For so many days, same exercise, same task was there. And Robin knew he would have to try some new tactics. So he knew he needs some new plan to get rid of this, to get out of this situation. He tried and failed many times until it dawned on him that the only way to prevent the attack would be to deal with the villagers' anger. So now suddenly an idea strikes into his mind that how I can deal with the anger of villagers. In the following days, he kept talking to them. Now, in the following days, he kept talking to them until he managed to convince them that he was no threat to them, but rather a friend. Now, with his words, Robin convinced the villagers, that he made them agree, or he made them understand that I'm not your enemy, I'm your friend. I'm not your enemy, I'm your friend. In the end, he was so persuasive, his words were so convincing. Persuasive means he was capable of convincing. He was so persuasive that they gave up their hostility by themselves, and such a friendship developed that they offered to avenge Robin by turning on the teacher. It was day 202. So now villagers became friends of Robin, and they let him go from that chair. So it was what day was it? It was 202 day. So you already control the most powerful weapon. Now, first weapon he got is patience. Now, what is the another weapon he got? You already control the most powerful weapon, the weapon of words. With the help of his words, Robin convinced the villagers that he is not their enemy, he is their friend. So the weapon of words, now he earned weapon of words. Firstly, patience, now weapon of words. So, that which you could not achieve with strength or sword, you manage with your tongue, said the old man. Now, old man says that the things which you cannot achieve with strength or with sword, you can get with the help of your words. You can get with the help of your tongue. Robin agreed, and so today we will read till here, and we will learn about next weapon or the third weapon in next lecture. Okay, so read the chapter